नमस्कार, मी प्राध्यापक श्याम लडकत. आज मी शिकवणार आहे नवीन टॉपिक ट्रिग्नोमॅट्री. स्टँडर्ड 10 CBSE बोर्ड. नेम ऑफ द चॅप्टर इज ट्रिग्नोमॅट्री. Trigonometry, divide this into three words. First is TRI, try. Three. Gon means sides. Metry means measurement. Three sides measurement. Trigonometry, it is a relation between angle and sides of a right angle triangle. Knowledge of trigonometry was used for construction of pyramid in Egypt. Greek people also use knowledge of trigonometry to find the unknown distance. टॉपिक सुरू करण्या अगोदर शिवचरित्रातील एक प्रेरणादायी प्रसंग मी सांगतो आणि त्यानंतर आपण टॉपिकला आपल्या सुरुवात करूयात. सिद्धी जोहरच्या वेढ्यामध्ये छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज पन्हाळ्यावरती अडकले. आमचे सरसेनापती नेतोजी पालकर यांनी भरपूर प्रयत्न केले, परंतु नेतोजींचा पराभव झाला. मुंबईच्या इंग्रजांनी लांब पल्ल्याच्या तोफांमधनं तोफा डागल्या. तोफेचे गोळे आता किल्ल्यामध्ये येऊ लागले. शिवराय जूनची वाट पाहावी लागली. एकदा का पाऊस सुरू झाला की वेढा ढिल्ला होईल, मग आपल्याला बाहेर जाता येईल. परंतु तो सिद्धी होता. भर पावसात त्याचे सैन्य डोळ्यामध्ये तेल घालून पहारा देऊ लागलं. वेढा काय ढिल्ला झाला नाही, शिवरायांना बाहेर पडता आलं नाही. शेवटी बहिर्जी नाईकांनी एक योजना तयार केली. पन्हाळ्याच्या दक्षिणेकडे असणारे गाव नेबापूर, त्यातला एक रहिवाशी नाव शिवा काशीद. रंगानं अंगानं आडकाठीनं हुबेहूब शिवाजी महाराज. त्याला शिवाजी महाराजांची वस्त्र परिधान करण्यात आली आणि बोलवण्यात आलं. 12 जुलैची ती रात्र. शिवाजी महाराज समोर पती शिवाजी, शिवा काशीद. शिवाजी महाराज शिवा काशीदला सांगू लागले की या रात्रीच इथून बाहेर पडणार 2 पालख्या. एका पालखीमध्ये मी जाणार सोर वाटेने, दुसऱ्या पालखीमध्ये शिवाजी महाराज बनून तुला जायचं आहे. तयार आहेस का? तो होय म्हणाला. शिवाजी राजे म्हणाले, अरे तू ज्या मार्गाने जाणार आहे त्या मार्गाने कदाचित सिद्धीची माणसं येतील, तुला ते पकडतील. तू तयार आहेस का? पुन्हा मुजरा करून व्हायची म्हणून तो पुन्हा त्याने होकार दर्शवला. राजे संतापले. अरे शिवा, तुला कळत नाही, एकदा का सिद्धीच्या माणसाने तुला पकडलं की ते तुला जिवंत सोडणार नाही. एका राजासाठी, राज्यासाठी, स्वराज्यासाठी मी तुझे प्राण मागत आहे. शिवा, तू नाही म्हणू शकतोस. आता मात्र इतर मंडळी त्यांना वाटू लागलं की कदाचित जर शिवा काशीद नाही म्हणाला तर काय करायचं. सर्वांची उत्कंठा शिगेला पोहोचली. सर्वांचं लक्ष शिवा काशीदकडे. आता शिवा काय बोलणार? शिवाने डोळे मिटले, त्याच्या डोळ्यातून पाणी आलं आणि शिवा बोलू लागला. शिवा काय म्हणाला ते तुम्ही पहा फक्त. राज, लहान तोंडी मोठा घास. माझं नशीब किती मोठं, माझ्या आईवडिलांची पुण्याई किती मोठी. राज, जेव्हा तुमची कापडं माझ्या अंगाला लागली ना, तेव्हाच हा शिवा मेला. राहिलाय फकस्त तुमचा आत्मा. राज, मला आता आडू नका, मला स्वर्गाचं दार दिसतंय. अजून काय पाहिजे या माणसाला? जन्माला जरी शिवा काशीद म्हणून आलो असलो तरी मरतानी शिवाजी महाराज म्हणून मरतोय. आणि असं मरण जर वाटेला येणार असेल तर हा शिवा एकदा नाही 100दा मरायला तयार आहे. शिवाने शब्द खरे केले. राजाला वाचवलं, राज्य वाचलं, स्वराज्य वाचलं. शिवा मात्र कायमचा गेला. तो परत काही येऊ शकला नाही. का सांगितली असेल मी तुम्हाला ही कथा? शिवा काशीद समोर एक ध्येय होतं की आपला राजा सुखरूप पोचला पाहिजे, राज्य वाचलं पाहिजे. तसं तुमच्या आयुष्यात सुद्धा विद्यार्थ्यांना एक ध्येय पाहिजे की आपल्याला डॉक्टर व्हायचं, इंजिनियर व्हायचं, IAS व्हायचं, IPS व्हायचं. काहीतरी एक ध्येय ठरवा. शिवा काशीद ते ध्येय गाठण्यासाठी त्या पालखीत बसला. तसं तुम्ही शिक्षण रूपी पालखीत बसलेलाच आहात. शिवाने नुकतीशी झुंज दिली आणि ध्येय गाठलं. इथे तुम्हाला झुंज द्यायची आहे अभ्यासाशी. अभ्यासाशी झुंज द्या. अभ्यासावरती तुटून पडा आणि आपलं जे काही ध्येय तुम्ही ठरवलेलं आहे ते साध्य करा. Trigonometry. What is the meaning of TRI? Try, 3. What is the meaning of gone? Side. And what is the meaning of metry? Measurement. 3-side measurement. Relation between angles and sides of a right angle triangle is called as trigonometry. And trigonometry is applicable to only a right angle triangle. What is the meaning of right angle triangle? A triangle in which one angle is 90 degree and sum of the remaining two angles is 90, because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So trigonometry is applicable to a right angle triangle. So this is one right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. One angle is 90. This is the symbol for 90 degree. Let this is B. This point is A and this point is C. There are three sides. A side always opposite to 90 degree, it is called as hypotenuse. This is called as hypotenuse. I want to find the trigonometry ratios of angle A. मला A चे trigonometry ratio काढायचे आहे. So with respect to A, this is called as opposite side to angle A. So this is called opposite side to angle A, and this is called as adjacent side to angle A. This adjacent side is also called as base, and opposite side is also called as height, or it is a perpendicular. So my aim is to find the trigonometry ratios of A. So this BC is the side opposite to A, and AB is the side adjacent to A, and AC is the hypotenuse. It is a side opposite to 90 degree. So in 10th standard, this chapter is divided into three subtopics: trigonometry ratio, trigonometry identity, and trigonometry's ratios of some specific angle. Now we are going to start the first topic, trigonometry ratios. Definition. Trigonometry ratios. Trigonometry ratios. Trigonometry ratios. There are 6 trigonometry ratios: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. So first we start with what is the meaning of sine. Always trigonometric ratios of an angle are find out. My reference angle is A. So first is sine. So first is sine, number 1. So what is the sine of angle A? Sine of angle A. In short, this is represented as sine A. Sine of angle A, sine A. What is the definition of sine? Opposite side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. What is sine A? Sine A is opposite side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Divided by hypotenuse. So this is the opposite side to angle A. What is opposite side to angle A? So it is BC. What is hypotenuse? It is always fixed, AC. So sine A, it is called as BC upon AC. So this is the first trigonometry ratio. Next, cosine of angle A. Next is cosine. Cosine of angle A. It is denoted by cos A. It is denoted by cos A. What is the definition? So numerator is adjacent side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle A divided by, again, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side to angle A? Adjacent side to angle A is AB, and again hypotenuse is same, that is AC. So cos A is equal to AB upon AC. Third trigonometry ratio.
Tangent of angle A, it is denoted by tan A.
What is the formula? What is the definition of tan A? Tan A means opposite side to angle A divided by adjacent side to angle A.
So tan A is opposite side divided by adjacent side to angle A. Opposite side to angle A. Opposite side to angle A is BC. Adjacent side to angle A, it is AB. This is the formula.
There is one more formula for tan.
Let divide the numerator and denominator by hypotenuse AC. Divide numerator BC divided by AC and denominator AB divided by AC. Divide numerator and denominator by AC, hypotenuse. What is BC by AC? Sin A. And what is AB upon AC? Cos A.
So this is the formula of tan A. So what is tan A? Tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Next trigonometry ratio.
Secant of angle A denoted by sec A. In short, remember the definition of sec as reciprocal of cos. Sec is equal to reciprocal of cos and 1 upon cos. Cos is this one. So reciprocal of cos is hypotenuse upon adjacent. So it becomes AC upon BC. So sec is equal to reciprocal of cos. So it is hypotenuse 1 upon cos divided by adjacent side. So it becomes hypotenuse upon adjacent side AC upon AB.
This is sec A.
Next is cosec A. Cosec of cosecant. Cosecant of angle A denoted by cosec A. What is cosec? Reciprocal of sine. Remember this shortcut method. Sec 1 upon cos, cosec 1 upon sine. But we know that what is sine? This is the definition. So what is sine? Reciprocal of sine, it is hypotenuse divided by opposite side to angle A. So it becomes AC upon BC. And the last trigonometry ratio is cotangent of angle A. Cotangent of angle A. So it is called as cot A. What is cot A? Reciprocal of tan. What is cot A? Reciprocal of tan. And we know that. What is 1 upon tan? Tan A is sine upon cos. So cot becomes cos upon sine. Tan A equal to opposite upon adjacent. Therefore cot is adjacent side to angle A divided by opposite side. Reciprocal of tan. So AB upon BC. It is a reciprocal of tan. AB upon BC. Also it is a reciprocal of this one. So one more formula. Cos A upon sin A.
So this is the first topic. These are the trigonometry ratios of angle A.
In short, what is sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is cos A? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is tan A? Opposite upon adjacent. What is sec? 1 upon cos. What is cosec? 1 upon sine. And what is cot? 1 upon tan. It become
Cos upon sine. So this is about the first topic. These are called as trigonometric ratios of a angle A.
what is the summary of this topic? Sine. What is sine A? Opposite upon hypotenuse. What is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is tan? Opposite upon adjacent. What is sec?
1 upon cos.
What is cosec? 1 upon sine. And what is cot? That is cos upon sine or reciprocal of tan. So this is the first topic, that is the trigonometry ratios. Now the next important topic
In trigonometry is trigonometric identity. Next important topic is
trigonometric identities.
in exam also there are chances question may be asked on the identity. Show that there are three identity: sine square plus cos square 1 plus tan square sec square, and 1 plus cot square cosec square. So we are going to derive these three important formulae. There are chances in the exam, maybe the question is on that, prove that, show that 1, 2, 3, any one of the trigonometry identity. Again the same right angle triangle is required. This is angle A, this is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. So we know that what is the Pythagoras theorem. Before that,
Tell me now, what is sine,
cos and tan.
in short? Again we write the formulae. What is sine A? Sine A is opposite upon hypotenuse and a BC upon AC. What is cos A? Cos A is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is tan A? Tan A opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent. Next is cosec A. Cosec of angle A. What is cosec A?
Cosec and 1 upon sine.
Cosec and 1 upon sine. Cosec means 1 upon sine. What is sec A? Sec means 1 upon cos. Sec means 1 upon cos. Reciprocal of this. AC upon AB. And what is tan? BC upon AB. Then what is cot A? Cot A is the reciprocal of tan. So what is the reciprocal of tan? Reciprocal of tan is AB upon BC.
So these are the 6 standard trigonometry ratios. Now we are going to start the first trigonometry identity. We know that what is the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides. This is called Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem for this triangle, what is AC square?
What is AC square? What is AC square? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus BC square. So this is called as Pythagoras theorem. It is applicable to only
Right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Divide this equation throughout by AC
or AC square. Next is divide this equation throughout by AC square. Divide this equation throughout by AC square. So left hand side AC square upon AC square. What is right hand side? AB square upon AC square. Then BC square upon AC square. AC square upon AC square 1. This is AB upon AC whole bracket square. This is BC upon AC whole bracket square. Now tell me, what is AB upon AC?
What is AB What is AB upon AC? AB upon AC is cosec. What is BC upon AC? BC upon AC is sin A. Therefore, 1 is equal to cos square A plus sine square A. This is the first trigonometry identity. What is the formula? Formula is sine square A plus cos square A. Answer is always 1. First trigonometry identity. Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Okay. Now, I want to prove the second identity. Again, start from the first equation. What is the first equation? First equation is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, divide this equation throughout by AB square. Now, divide this equation throughout by AB square. So left hand side is AC square upon AB square. Right hand side AB square upon AB square. BC square upon AB square. So left hand side is AC upon AB bracket square. AB square upon AB square 1, and this is BC upon AB bracket square. What is AC upon AB? What is AC upon AB? It is sec A. AC upon AB is sec A. 1 plus. What is BC upon AB? What is BC upon AB? It is tan. It is tan A. Therefore, sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So what is the formula? Next trigonometry identity is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. First identity, sin square plus cos square is 1. Next is 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. Now, one more. Again, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. To get this one, divide this equation throughout by AC square. To get this formula, divide the equation throughout by AB square. Now, I want to find the last identity. Now, divide the equation throughout by BC square. Divide the equation, above equation throughout by BC square. Left hand side, AC square upon BC square, AB square upon BC square, and BC square upon BC square. So this one is AC upon BC bracket square. This is AB upon BC bracket square, and this is 1. What is AC upon BC? What is AC upon BC? AC upon BC means cosec. Cosec. What is AB upon BC? What is AB upon BC? AB upon BC is nothing but cot. Cot. In this way, we get the formula 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So these are the 3 important trigonometric identities. These are the 3 important trigonometric identities. So what is the summary of this topic? What are the important key points? Trigonometry. What is trigonometry? It is the relation between angle and sides of a right angle triangle. Trigonometry is applicable to only a right angle triangle. My aim is to find the trigonometry ratios of A So this is the side opposite to A, this is the side adjacent to A, and this is called hypotenuse. It is a side of a triangle opposite to 90 degree. Sometime adjacent side is also called as base, or opposite side is called as perpendicular. First formula, what is sine? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is cos? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is tan? Opposite side upon adjacent side. What is cosec? 1 upon sine. What is sec? 1 upon cos. What is cot? Cot means 1 upon tan. One more formula of tan. Tan means sine upon cos, and cot means cos A upon sine A. Summary of the next topic, trigonometry identity. So there are three useful formulae. Question may be asked directly on that, show that, prove that. And there are some problem asked in the exam by using this identity. So first trigonometry identity is sine square plus cos square is 1. Second is 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. And next is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So this is about the topic trigonometry. यातला एक छोटासा टॉपिक राहिलेला आहे जो तुम्हाला मी पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तो एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, रेशोज ऑफ सम स्पेसिफिक अँगल, लाईक व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ साइन 0, साइन 30, साइन 45, साइन 60, साइन 90. सिमिलरली कॉस्ट टाइम. एक पुढचा व्हिडिओ त्यासाठी मी बनवणार आहे. लेक्चर आवडला असेल तर शेअर, लाईक किंवा सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. आणि माझं टीचिंग जर मनापासून आवडलं असेल तर कृपया कॉमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये फीडबॅक लिहायला विसरू नका, कारण तुम्ही दिलेला फीडबॅक हा माझ्यासारख्या शिक्षकासाठी हे फार मोठं मोटिवेशन असतं. नेहमीप्रमाणे बाळांनो, आपले शेवटचे 3 महत्त्वाचे वाक्य. हेल्थ इज वेल्थ, नॉलेज गिव्स पॉवर, and character gives respect.